That is the only man in my entire career to provide me with a checkered flag. Sunday afternoon, Talladega weekend. We're in Mooresville, North Carolina. And he's resurrecting an old box trailer. One Mr. Dale Quarterly. I had one race deal with Dale one time. Took him to Irwindale Speedway. And they spent the entire first practice grinding the ring gear off of the race car, trying to start it. During the break between practice, while they were under the car changing the flywheel, I started looking at electrical issues and found the ignition coil polarized wrong, and pointed it out when Dale came out from under the car. Because we missed the first practice, we were obligated to run the consolation race prior to the actual race. We won that event, and that's my checkered flag. He led the first half of the actual race, walking away. And during the break, the crew chief could not resist twisting on the car. And he twisted us out of the ballpark. I think we ended up finishing third in the actual race. But Dale gave me a damn checkered flag, as far as I'm concerned, my entire career. And the sun is going down, and I'm not going to interrupt him. Talk to y'all later.